Michelle Collins, and I'm from the Ministry of Education's Early Childhood Care and Education Division. I'm here on the Caroni Swamp, also known as the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. Come along with me in our journey. We are going deeper into the Caroni Bird Sanctuary. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Are you hearing the sounds of the insects in the background? The mangrove is home to many different animals, and here is an example of one. There it is. You're seeing it all curled up there on the branch. That is a tree boa. If you look closely, you will see a tree climbing crab, or a ratas as it's also called. And these crabs are eaten by birds. And the birds, like the scarlet ibis, that's how they get that lovely red color. Are you seeing it there? There it is. Tree climbing crab. Amazing. Behind me, we have flamingos. Flamingos have recently found their home here, or recently made their home here in the Caroni Swamp, because the ecosystem is just right for the food they need. There they are, standing so elegantly. Boys and girls, look behind me. It's our national bird, the scarlet ibis. Don't they look majestic? They're coming in and they're about to roost. Beautiful. Boys and girls, thanks for coming with me on this amazing journey on the bird sanctuary, or as it's commonly known, the Caroni Swamp. I'd like to thank Nana Tours for bringing us to this amazing space. I'm Michelle Collins. Thank you.